What's a big induction kit? Well, the EP3's back from its road test. No, you can be it.
Sorry, I thought I was going to walk into the middle of your video there.
Well, you can do that if you want, mate. We're not professionals. So this is the first one that we've done on the Honda Vert software. Obviously, we expect the map to go well, but the software did exactly what we expected it to. It's in comparison to a K-Pro.
K-Pro 3 is what we're led to. It was what we're told it's a copy of. Obviously, you don't get the extra features you get like Bluetooth and all the rest of it with the K-Pro 4, but having used this software this morning, it's a lot better to use for the dealer for us than using the K100 because we ain't got to take the boards in and out and, and obviously put the K-Pros in and write to the board and then flash it for a K, for a K100 and then put the board back in and swap it all around.
Because it's a K-Pro.
Yeah, because it's effectively a K-Pro with a data cable. So great, we haven't got to do that, which is better for us for sure. Software's identical. It uses a slightly older software version to run the program, but I don't see that being a problem because you're using an older board.
Yeah.
What it is giving us the ability to do is offer the maps out at a lot less money.
Yeah, we're talking £500 drive in, drive out here, aren't we?
Yeah, £500 drive in, drive out with a Honda Vert board in. Now, bearing in mind, to put a comparison to that, a K100 board is 450 quid.
Yeah.
And then
map on top.
And then 250 to map it. So, effectively, you're getting your map for 50 quid.
Yeah.
By doing it that way. I mean, if you want to go K-Pro, then you're looking at 650 for the K-Pro board, and then 250 to map it on an NA vehicle. So, that's £900.
Yeah.
A massive. Because considering it's K-Pro software, it's saving you £400.
Yeah.
Which is a lot.
Yeah, sure. So, but now, basically, this car, which has done really well, by the way.
225 brake, I think you finished on. Which is exactly what we'd expect from the mods that are on it.
Yeah, it's considering this is NA and we've tuned it, it's done really, really well. It's costing 500 quid.
That's exactly it. It's £500 in comparison to what would have been 700 quid on the basic model.
Yeah.
And to be of the similar equivalent would have cost 900 quid.
Yeah. So we finished today on 224 brake horsepower, 193 at the wheels, 194 at the wheels just about. So yeah, there we go. There's another one done. Really pleased with the software.
It's just basically what we wanted to do was offer. We wanted to offer the same level that we could for the FN2s. People were charging $750 to map them and stuff. We managed to get the Vtec software, which we're already dealer for anyway. And then being able to offer it at £500 for an NA map, and we wanted to be able to do the same for the EP3.
Yeah.
And this board has allowed us to do that. There is no other options out there that would allow us to do that. The boards were costing nearly that money.
Yeah, sure.
So it's this is a really good system whereby we can now offer these at a good value map, I believe,
Yeah.
Or a good value price.
Okay, so I'll run some footage and some photographs and stuff. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Like and subscribe. Richard's obviously extremely happy with that. Jason's never happy, so that don't matter. But we'll see you all again on the next video. So just in case you didn't catch that, we've finished today on the EP3 at 224 brake horsepower. And that's 193 at the wheels for you guys.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I